How to turn on blue tick read receipts on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once inside your WhatsApp app, tap on the settings icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once inside the settings, if you are using the Android, then you can find three dot at the top right corner and then select settings. Now, once you are inside your WhatsApp settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the privacy option available there. Then inside privacy, scroll down and select read receipts option available and turn on the toggle. Green means it is enabled. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.